prana, more energy, so that they are healthy. And for that, the practice which I would recommend is Jalandhar Bandha, which is the simple chin lock.
And it is considered to be an advanced practice, so you should first always learn it from a teacher.
Right. So for the Jalandhar Bandha, what we do is we inhale, we hold the breath, we bring the chin to the chest, and comfortably holding the breath for some time. Then we lift the chin up and then exhale slowly. Right. So we'll do it together. Inhale. And then slowly lifting the chin up and releasing the breath. So the next practice which I would recommend is Ujjayi breath, highly recommended for people with thyroid related problems. So when we do Ujjayi breath, what we do is we focus at the throat region. We imagine that we are breathing through a hole. And at that time we try and compress the glottis a little bit. And both the inhalation and exhalations, when we are breathing, we create a small snoring sound as if a baby is sleeping. So that's how we do it. Let's try.
I think you have to be careful not to push too hard in this. And another way to know whether you're doing it correctly or not is that it's interesting, you're actually using the same muscle that you use when you whisper. So you can try and whisper and then breathe from the same place. And you'll also notice a very slight contraction in your abdomen.
True, and not to forget, this is a very important energy point, also associated with creativity, purification of the body, toxins are taking place at the thyroid glands. So another practice which we will do, which is highly recommended, is Vipreet Karni Mudra. People who cannot do shoulder stand, they can start with this. It's relatively easier. So you lie down on your back. So very slowly, you lift the legs up, hips up. You rest the hands on the hips. And holding a comfortable position. Keeping the feet relaxed, eyes closed. So you should hold this asana to your capacity, never force yourself. And from the same position, you do another beautiful asana. You inhale. As you exhale, you bring both the legs over the head, coming into halasana, the plow posture. If your feet are not touching the ground, you can keep supporting the back. If your feet are comfortably on the ground, you can release the hands on the floor. Now, if you are a little advanced student, you can always bend the knees and place the knees next to the ears. Still, if you feel comfortable, you can wrap your arms around the legs. This is known as Karna Pidasana. Again, you can notice the compression on the throat region. And then slowly coming out of the posture with control as you exhale. Now remember, after this asana, you should relax in Shavasana for some time. So the next posture which we are going to do is Matsyasana.
Which is the counter pose as well.
Exactly. So you bring the legs together and you slide the arms underneath the body. Try and bring the elbows as close to each other as possible. Now very slowly you lift the head up, chest up, and then gently placing the crown of your head on the floor. Remember, there's no pressure on the neck, body weight is supported with the elbows. And you can see beautiful contraction on the throat region. Holding it to your capacity. And after some time, very gently lifting the head up and releasing the posture. And relaxing again in Shavasana.
I guess as a rule, any asana that has any emphasis on the head and neck area is good for the thyroid gland.
Exactly, but it might be possible that everybody cannot do the same asana. So they can pick up any practice of their choice. Idea is to go to an experienced yoga teacher. You can guide them, depending upon their situation. And if not this practice, they can do sun salutation or other asanas, whatever they can.
Also, you should remember that the manufacture of thyroid hormones is dependent upon the presence of iodine in the body. So make sure that you have an adequate, not excessive, intake of iodine-rich foods like seaweed, sea salt, yogurt.
Or even cow's milk, or strawberries for that matter.
Even eggs as well, right?